invented a new product that's going to change the world.
Really, Miss Fanny Bottom Firestone? What is it?
It's called rubber. Yes, and it will provide protection, safety, and a guaranteed smooth ride.
Now boarding, first class, Mrs. Catherine Shamrock McShake.
Don't you know, my husband owns an emerald mining company. But I hide my jewels because they're always after me, Lucky Charms.
Rumor has it she's magically delicious. Miss Olivia Ding Dong Bellringer.
Thank you.
I have been out here long enough though, like I get it. I get the traffic. And obviously Carmageddon just happened. 78 people died on Los Angeles highways last year, which I know sounds like not a lot, but it is pretty impressive considering that you can't get above 35 miles an hour. So it's, you know. Which means that most of the people committed suicide and the rest starved to death. Do you understand how this traffic... Mr. Tony, wise guy, everybody. What up? Do people know what that means? It's gang language? That's right, it means you're a cross-dresser. Mr. Dustin Kaufman, everybody.
This guy comes up and hands me a flyer to a show. I'm like, oh, well, what show is this? It was a business card for a personal trainer. And I was just watching him. He was only handing them to fat people, right? He's not even nice. At least be up front. Like, hey, want to go to a show? Yeah, what show is it? You're fat.
Vocal stylings of Miss Courtney King, everybody.
He says solid, he says. Takes me in his arms, he says solid, he says. Meaning all my charms, he says solid, he says. Is that the language of love?
Mr. Craig Buckman, everybody.
Hey, I've got really bad ADD. The other day, somehow my dog must have eaten some of my medication. Yeah, because when I came home, he was reading a book.
Miss Laura Anderson, everybody. Give it up.
Whatever happened to my part? It was exciting at the start. Now we're halfway through Act 2, and I've had nothing yet to do.
Anna Shalray, everybody. Give it up.
In the middle of a dream, I held your hand just like a movie scene. You like your third place on top. Little habits you won't stop. In the middle of the bar.
And Miss Olivia Ding Dong Bellringer, which means ipso facto, quid pro quo, you must be the murderer.